What's up, everybody? Happy Flamingo Friday. Playing in the rain today. Lots of cool stuff on this week's episode. Landscaping, lighting, walls, auto cover, Tim, Matt, flamingos. Let's get into it. Let's go. So, been working on my jokes.
Okay.
And I made this up this past week. You ready?
You actually made it yourself?
I did. Come on, trash truck. So, what is the most crunk bathroom to be in?
The most crunk bathroom to be in.
C-R-U-N-K, crunk.
I have no idea.
A Lil John. Funny. Wow. It's okay.
Wait. I'm missing the crunk part.
So it wasn't funny because crunk was like a word back in my day.
Yeah, I never heard of it.
Never heard the word crunk.
No. Can you use it in a sentence?
We got crunk in the club last night with Lil John. Oh yeah.
So you can just say lit.
Oh, lit's today's
was
word?
Fire.
Dude, come on, man.
You got lit.
Crunk. Reagan, what would you say? Lit? All right.
Reagan is not.
No more jokes for me. No more. I can't. As you can see, we've got our coping on the two sides of the pool. Now we're going to focus on our wall block. It's going to sit on our bond beam on this side. We're using the Graphics Wall by TechGold Block. So this first row we're actually going to lay flush like you see here. And then as we build it up, it's going to have that really cool three-dimensional look. It's going to kind of come in, come out. Some are smooth, some are textured. So we'll get this first row in, probably grind it out pretty nice and smooth and level. It's going to take some time, but once we get this first row in, everything should fly out pretty good. So we've got this first row in, you can kind of see it taking shape, right? We've got a wall coming in, right angle down. It's going to curve around, jog around the auto cover box, come up, everything up 2 feet. Then we have our plumbing for our water features. So that's going to kind of go into our wall block, spill into the pool. It's going to create that really nice water sound in this backyard.
So as you can see, we've kind of laid our first layer here of the wall, glued those down, and from now on we're going to start building them up. We've got these block spacers we'll put in between to help keep it in line, and then once we get to the top we'll glue that down as well, and it should look really good.
It's really good, man. Let me add something to that. So what he doesn't know is this is a new block we haven't used before, or he hasn't used before. So normally we would line these up where these little gaps are consistent. But since we had this coping here, or not the coping, but our track for our auto cover, we had to line those up. So our next row up, we'll actually stagger them back and forth. These create a really cool three-dimensional look. So we'll start stacking. You'll kind of see how that lays out. It's gonna be really nice. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. All right, so now we have our second row of our graphics wall laid. As you can see, we've laid it where this is consistent all the way through. And that way we can run our little spacer bars kind of here, there, and that'll help line up that next row up, and it'll also keep that three-dimensional look pretty consistent. So we've laid this down. I got a phone call, keep rolling. Let's see who it is. Scam. Anyways, where was I, Reagan? So what we're doing is we're gonna lay this out how we have it. We're gonna glue this in once we're money. Once we glue that, we won't glue anything else except for the corners, because we're gonna use the spacers to hold those in along the way. So let's go. Tim, what's today?
It's Thursday,
It's lighting day.
27th.
It's lighting day.
Lighting
It's
day.
lighting day. Every day has a day, every day has a purpose. Today it's lighting day. Tim's on lights. We're gonna teach him how to install lighting here. So we are installing, we got the WAC cap lights in the gray color. My friend John over at Green Foundry hooked us up with some lights. Love that guy, and we're using all these products that he's been able to get for us. So we're gonna run, I think 8 or 10 lights around this graphics wall. It's gonna be really, really nice. I'm gonna show you a really cool feature on this light really quick. So you're able to adjust the whiteness and the yellowness and the brightness. So it comes with a little bitty screwdriver like this, and you're able to adjust that like so. So obviously best time to come early in the morning or late at night to see how they look. We're probably going to go full white and maybe go halfway on the brightness. So we've got some glue. It's kind of cold. It's not going to cure fast. We want to put some weight on the pavers. Nice gray. That's going to be really nice. So yeah, we've got a couple installed. Tim's going to run them around the pool, and it's gonna look very nice.
Alright, so now that we are done building this wall, we are going to backfill 1.5 feet of rock behind the wall, and then we are going to put fabric between the rock and the ground, just so there's no dirt or anything that gets through for the drainage area, and then we'll backfill the dirt.
now we are about to strip the sod out of this little area. As you can see, we've got our wall all the way built up, backfilling with our stone. We're gonna bring in some dirt. We got a little bit of sod. We want to get that stripped out. We're gonna put a lot of plants in. We want to make sure we have good drainage. We don't want that sod in there getting wet and stinking. We're gonna pull that out. Then we'll continue bringing in some dirt. Get closer to landscaping. Hey, look at that guy. Oh yeah, he's pumped. Let's go, Matt. All right, it is landscaping day. We're gonna get our plants out here, start marking things. Matt's trying to hit with the ball. Let's see him. Anyways, we got our plants laid out. We're gonna start marking where they're going, bringing in some extra dirt in our areas we need to. Got our fabric in. We've got a lot of privacy shrubs. We're gonna go with the green giant arborvitaes. We've got some 10 footers. We've got some 6 footers. We've got some hydrangeas, Bubba hydrangeas, Incredible hydrangeas. We've got some lavender, we got some Karl Forster grasses, a lot of good stuff going in. So get the plants unloaded and start putting some plants in. Dude, you straight up manhandle those massive trees. Yeah, so these trees are going to provide some really nice privacy. As you can see from the road, we've got a lot of road frontage. People walking down, rubberneckers. What else you call them? Rubberneckers? Nosy neighbors, those kind of things. So we're gonna put, actually these are our 9 footers. They're gonna go on the other side. They're gonna block the neighbors. So the nosy neighbors in this case. Then we have 9 8-footers coming tomorrow. They're gonna ride this road frontage. We're gonna block the rubberneckers. We're gonna have some hydrangeas, some lighting, some perennials, some grasses. Like I said, look at them just rubbernecking right away. So yeah. Lots of good privacy. These are our green giant arborvitaes. They are fast growers. They're deer resistant. They look nice. I don't know what she thinks. Tim, take it away, buddy.
I'm out.
We are here on a nice, beautiful 45-degree day. Gray clouds, gray skies, gray clouds. It's raining. We're all very happy to be here. Got some nice, beautiful green giant arbs. We ordered 10 footers, but they look more like 12 footers. We'll take them for the same price. It's gonna give us some good privacy over here. We've got some behind you as well. It's gonna look really nice. And yeah, we're pretty excited to put these plants in and get some green in our space. Clap, clap was the code.
Now, boss.
Yeah.
My cousin Jethro down in South Louisiana.
Yeah.
He doesn't always just plant those same trees. Sometimes he'll go out and just grab a handful of seed, throw it in there, and see what comes up. So I think it looks really good that we plant matching arbs and we don't just go willy-nilly.
Yeah, we don't plant tree seeds. We plant trees.
That's right.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! All right, so we got a really nice item installed yesterday. We've got our pool cover installed, automatic pool cover put in. We had a guy coming out from Maryland to do it, and honestly, didn't have a clue he was coming. So it's kind of a weird day yesterday, honestly. We weren't quite ready. He wasn't ready. I'm not sure what happened, but let me show you what we did. So we kind of temporarily put some pavers down on the bond beam. We ended up running short on pavers, and so we couldn't finish that area. So we just kind of put some black squadron on the end so we could hold that lid in. So yeah, we got a nice, beautiful gray auto cover. It's nice and safe. Here in Indiana, you have to have either a fence or an auto cover to pass final inspection. So this is gonna be a nice solution to not having a fence, but they might put a fence up anyway just to have a little bit more extra privacy and security here. So we're gonna roll this thing back, show you how it works. It'll be very nice.
So boss guy has a son with just a head and takes him to a bar for his 21st birthday and has a drink, boom, out shoots a torso. It's like, whoa, let's get you another drink. So he has another one, boom, out pop arms. He's feeling pretty good, so it's like, let's get him a third one. Drinks the third one, boom, out pop his legs. And it's like, man. So he grabs another one, runs outside, gets hit by a car and dies, and the bartender says, should have quit while he was ahead.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Please go subscribe to our channel. Working really hard here. And Tim just totally speared Matt. Stay tuned for next time. You are loved.